What it do? It's your boy Big26 and we back at it with another video. So I'm here today to talk to you guys about a vision board. You gotta see it to believe it, baby. If you want some stuff to manifest in your life, you gotta see it every day. You gotta look at it. You gotta take it in. You just gotta put it in your subconscious. Let it be natural, flowing, and believe it. And also you gotta be spiritual. If you're not spiritual, I'm not sure how it's gonna work for you. I can only speak to you from a spiritual standpoint, not from a worldly one. So if you're not spiritual, you might want to click off this video. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of my vision board, from especially when it's negative things going on around me. You already know, living in this world, period, negativity is just everywhere you go, man. It's always negativity. And even if folks are not, I can't explain it, like the energy feeds off, like you know when the energy's not right in the room. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So behind me, I got my personal vision board. Happy wife, happy life, huh? You know, my future cars, the city I want to live in. I know mine's a little janky. I had mine for a little bit. Don't judge me. Now, what you see in white around all the borders are scriptures. Those are all scriptures. Right here, you know, for me, this is the teachings of the law of attraction. So like, these are things that I want to attract in my life. Also, as you can see, I got my kids up there. I want them to be AB honor roll students, so I put their full names on each certificate. I put my future house on there. I put the check that I want to get. $26 million, you know, all throughout the board. I got scriptures in between. None of this is possible without God, so I need that in my life. These are here just as a reminder. Here, you know, I want to eat healthy. I'm already in the gym. Down here is the gym. I'm already doing some of these things, eating healthy. These are my 3 beautiful kids right here. I know you guys see, like, what, you got an apartment complex, so I want to own that. I want to invest in a real estate, so I'm working on that. These are Shopify sales, as you can see on here. It's like 100K for the day, 100K, and then for the month it's like 1.86 million. You know, that'd be a blessing. In the middle, this is all that I am. If you've been following me, I got previous videos of me in a blue shirt. All of this that's on here was on that blue shirt. I am was in the middle. I got spiritual, king, understanding, brother, loving, wavy, approachable, husband, honest, sociable, fearless, fashion king, photographer, relatable, honored, caring, open-minded, confident, God's child, oh, happy, warrior, alive, rich, love. You know, just to name a few. Powerful. You keep me empowered, man. When things are not going right in my world, come down here, I look at my vision board and I never lose focus. That vision board is only a year old, but I always had that mentality in life. I had like 1,000,001 books where I'll be writing the same thing, because I'll lose one book. You know, you'll go to the store, to Target, whatever, get you a composition notebook, like, yo, I'm gonna write all my goals. You know, this year I'm not playing. That was me. And I got like 1,000,000 books around here with the same stuff in it. And at this point, I like, it's time for me to get something that I can't lose. You ain't gonna misplace a vision board. So, you know, you get those from the arts and crafts stores, you know, get you some magazines, cut some stuff out. I got all mine from the internet, because we don't really have magazines around here like that. You know, I just pray that God will be done. You know, like that's what I want to happen in my life. But if it's not God's will, then it might not happen for me. But I hope it is. I hope it's aligned with him, because that's all that matters. If it's not, I'm not tripping. I am not tripping. He done brought me this far. As y'all already know, this is like my 7th business, man. I did everything. I was a rapper. I was a photographer. I sold Jordans out the trunk of my car, just to name a few. And I did some more dumb stuff, man. I didn't sell drugs. I didn't sell drugs. Yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want more videos like this, or me to speak my mind, or for me to dive a little bit more into my life, let me know in the comments below. Put all the comments, like more comments is more content for you guys, and the better it would get, I promise you. Just bear with me. I'm getting back to this whole camera thing. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit into my life up until me quitting my job. So that's going without said, but make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Big 26 and I'm out.